To cook parsnips on the stovetop. First place 6 parsnips in a pot and fill with enough water to cover them. Boil the parsnips over medium-high heat for 10 minutes or until they're tender. Drain the pot and set the parsnips aside. Next, add a 1/4 cup, 30 grams of all-purpose flour and ½ teaspoon, 2.5 grams of salt to a resealable bag. Then, melt ½ cup, 110 grams of butter and dip the parsnips into the butter and place them in the bag. Shake the bag to coat the parsnips with the flour mixture. Heat the leftover butter in a skillet over medium-high heat and add the parsnips to the skillet. Finally, cook the parsnips, turning them every so often, until each side is golden brown.